Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorials. So our topic today is all about heat transfer by convection, and here is our sample problem. A 90 degrees Celsius hot air is blown over a 2 meter by 4 meter flat surface at 32 degrees Celsius if the average heat transfer coefficient is 55 watts per square meter degree Celsius. Determine the rate of heat transfer from the air to the plate. So we have our given here for the area 2 times 4, since we need to get the area is equal to 8 meter, and our heat transfer coefficient 55 watts per square meter degree Celsius, and our temperature in the surface 90 degrees Celsius, and our temperature is equal to 32 degrees Celsius. Since we have all the values in order to calculate the heat transfer, we will just plug in all the values. So heat transfer is equal to H, or the heat transfer coefficient, times the surface area times the temperature of the surface minus temperature of the surrounding. So 55 watts per square meter degree Celsius times 8 square meter times the 90 minus 32 degrees Celsius. So calculating this in our calculator, we will get the final answer in watts 25,520. So that is all for today. Thank you.